What do you say? How's that foot taste? Graham, how does the foot taste? It's good, huh? And what are you doing? You're not supposed to be turning over in your chair. That's dangerous. That's dangerous. Oh, is that a yawn? Well, to you too. And what are you doing? You better not go potty on the carpet. You better not go potty on the carpet. Oh no, Ellis threw up. We better take care of that.